Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about YouTube TV. What is it and how does it exactly work? Now, I know that a lot of people have been considering cutting the cord for quite some time, but still want access to those critical live TV channels that we all grew up watching on cable. And the problem is wading through the dozen or so live TV streaming options available now and trying to figure out which one offers the best channel lineup, features, and price point for your needs. And that's exactly why we will do a deep dive onto YouTube TV, hopefully understand everything that this service provides, DVR functionality and streaming quality to pricing. So without much further ado, let's jump right in. So first things first, what even is YouTube TV? Well, essentially it's a live TV streaming service owned and operated by Google that provides access to over 100 plus cable channels straight over the internet. And this includes all of your major broadcast networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox Plus popular cable channels like ESPN, TNT, Bravo, and more. You also get on-demand libraries for most channels, allowing you to watch shows and movies on your own schedule. And as of right now, YouTube TV is only available in the US and associated territories. But Google has been actively expanding its availability lately into more zip codes and striking carriage deals to add additional channels. Some of the core features that make YouTube TV stand out include an extensive channel lineup with over 100 plus options across categories from broadcast, news, entertainment, lifestyle, and sports genres. You also have unlimited DVR storage, allowing you to record any program airing live to watch later. You've got up to 3 simultaneous streams, so 3 people can watch different shows at once, which is amazing, and streaming available across a wide range of smart TVs, media players, game consoles, and mobile devices, such as Roku, Apple TV, Chromecast, iOS, Android, etc. And now let's tackle the pricing, since it's a major kind of thing when it comes to choosing on whether to switch to YouTube TV from cable or not. And as of right now, a standard YouTube TV subscription runs for $72.99 per month, which is definitely on the pricier side compared to some other competitors. Though first-time customers can take advantage of a promotional rate of about $63 per month on your first 3 months of using the service. In my opinion, it's really best suited for a family splitting the cost versus an individual. There are also optional premium add-ons that you can tack on for channels such as HBO Max, Showtime, and Stars, ranging from $9 to $15 extra per month. But with the price aside, how does the base channel package measure up against the other players in live TV streaming? And for that, I'm going to do a quick comparison. So YouTube TV would have over 100 plus channels, Hulu Live TV would have over 90 channels, Sling TV would have about 60 channels in both kind of packages, and for DirecTV Stream, they would have different kind of channels based on the packages that you choose, but at the highest tier, you would have over 150 channels. So as you can see, YouTube TV is very solidly in the middle with a strong yet still very affordable channel selection compared to Hulu or the much pricier DirecTV. Only Sling TV really beats them on base package cost, but you're still getting far fewer channels over there. And let's not forget that YouTube also matches or even beats the competition, allowing 3 simultaneous streams, while Hulu caps at 2 and the pricier DirecTV ties with 3 streams. So in my opinion, with the streaming service, channel count, and most importantly the features, you would definitely be getting your money's worth. Going a little bit deeper now onto some of those core features that really make YouTube TV stand out. First, we have the live TV streaming quality, which is generally excellent with most channels broadcasting crisp, clear feeds in 720p resolution or higher. And you can customize video settings like resolution, bitrates, and closed captioning in the application settings menu. Occasionally, quality may downgrade during peak usage hours based on your internet speeds, but I have found YouTube TV streams much more reliable than something like Sling TV or other budget live TV options. Next up, we have YouTube TV's cloud DVR functionality, which works flawlessly, allowing you to easily record movies, shows, or full seasons with unlimited storage capacity. It really mimics that classic set-top DVR behavior that we're all familiar with. The only catch is that those recordings do expire after 9 months due to rights restrictions, but anything you record gets saved for at least those 9 months, no problem. Another great feature that you will love is the ability to create up to 6 user profiles under a single YouTube TV subscription. And this would allow everyone in your household to have their own customized watch history, recommendations, and recordings without stomping over someone else. It's a very simple yet game-changing feature. And even when traveling or without consistent internet, you can download movies and shows to your mobile device while connected to Wi-Fi for that offline playback later. A great pro tip for flights or road trips where streaming is unreliable. Now, in terms of watching YouTube TV, you've got plenty of options across mobile devices like phones and tablets, plus media streamers like Roku and Fire TV, gaming consoles like Xbox and PlayStation, and newer model smart TVs with the built-in YouTube TV applications. It really covers everything that the average household would need without any frustrating compatibility issues. Signing in and activating streams works the same consistent way across all platforms by grabbing your home YouTube TV subscription authorization. And the simplicity of that user interface ties very nicely into my next point. YouTube TV was clearly designed to be incredibly easy and intuitive for anyone to start streaming. Home screens always show personalized watch recommendations based on viewing history. Lots of content filtering tools making finding what you want very simple, and really robust voice search to just ask for movies, shows, genres, or anything. And that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions, and if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.